Should you hire a doula for your birth? A doula provides continuous physical and emotional support to a pregnant woman and her partner during labor and birth. Perhaps you've seen a lot of posts on social media about doulas and you can't decide whether or not to hire one for your birth. Let's look at what the research says about hiring a birth doula. With a doula, you are more likely to have a spontaneous vaginal birth without the use of vacuum or forceps and a shorter labor. With a doula, you are less likely to have a negative birth experience, any pain medication, an epidural or spinal anesthetic, a cesarean birth, 39% less likely, and a low 5-minute APGAR score. That's the rating of the baby's status shortly after birth. That's what the research says, and it's pretty impressive. But it often doesn't impress women and their partners because they think that the doctor or midwife will be with them all the time in labor, so why do they need to hire a doula? What many expectant parents don't realize is that they're going to be alone most of the time, even in the hospital. While a doctor or midwife may come and go to check on you, until you start pushing, most of the time you will be alone. I also hear from many couples that they don't want a stranger to get in the way of the intimate experience of birth. A professional doula is trained to take her cues from the couple and to encourage the partner to be actively involved as the partner wishes to be. A doula can help you decide when to go to the hospital if you're having a hospital birth, and to answer questions like, what's happening now? Is this normal? This takes a lot of stress off the partner, and that leaves the partner to do what the partner does best, loving the woman and helping her oxytocin to flow. Remember that oxytocin is the love hormone that drives labor. In my childbirth preparation course, you'll learn what questions to ask when you're shopping around for a doula in order to find the best fit for you. You'll also hear about doula options that vary from almost free for doulas in training to experienced professional doulas. I'm a Lamaze certified childbirth educator and a Lamaze educator trainer. Follow for more.